Good evening everybody, it's a beautiful day here in South Wales. The vlog that I put out the other day on the installation of the van, I had a phone call then of a lovely gentleman, Jason, Bobber Box Adventures, and he's explained to me that for the longevity of the van and the lifespan of the van, there's nothing wrong with the installation that I've put in, but really I should have put in the recycled plastic insulation which repels any water. So today's vlog is taking all the insulation back out. I'd rather do it at this stage of the build than to find out a few months later when everything's in. So thank you very much, Jason. I do appreciate all your advice. So take a look. So everything I'd done the other day, that's all going to come back out. And I've got this here, which is from a drain cleaning kit. So hopefully, if I can't pull this out, because it did go in one piece, so hopefully I can pull it back out in one piece. But if it doesn't, I can hopefully put this up and pull it back out. Right, that's the plan for now. This waster, everything came up fine apart from that one little piece. In the end, I had to spray a cable and feed it in and push it down and just managed to catch it. But apart from that piece, all okay, all good. Even the awkward pieces, even managed to get them out from down when I stuffed it down in there. It's just the doors left. Fantastic! Sweet, all the loft insulation now gone everywhere. And now what I'm thinking, as you can see it for expanding foam in there, that's all gone off hard. And I've done it so it's around there, that doesn't touch, so all that's sealed up in there. So I think I'm doing the same thing now across this channel and making sure that the expanding foam doesn't touch the sealant that we put down there, so if any water does get down in there, it just runs away. Like they say on the cookery programs, here's one I done earlier. So that's gone off. Come down, I put one layer there the other night, come down and put another layer. So tonight I'll put the final layer there. And as you can see, there's a good gap. Well, you can't see it really, but there is a good, it's about 10-15 mil off the bottom of the channel. So that's what I'm going to do here now. So yeah, one layer in. I'll just let that go off and build it up. Good afternoon everybody. What a fantastic afternoon it is. Sun is shining, birds are singing, and this is day 2. Last night I finished up. I'll show you. Last night I finished up just Just putting a bit of foam in that channel there. And when I took the foam out, the foam debuggered, the insulation from here, I'm thinking I'm going to put some foam, just build that up with foam in there, each one. So then when I do actually come to put the board in, the thermal board, and I'll put some foam around the edge as well. When I put the board in, that should be then one big solid wall of foam and really good insulation. Right, let's go. Right, one layer in, sorted. By the time that finishes expanding, I'm probably only going to need another one more layer to fill it up. I'm only going to go up to there because I want to get the insulation in across there. Just want to show you this. I've been building this up. You can just about see it. It's just up to there now. I'm building this up slowly over a period of days, squirting a little bit in and letting it go off all the way up. But I paid all the money for the sound deadening. Did I need to? Expanding foam does the job. Anyway, it's just the rest of them to do now. Done. One layer built up. There's a nice void in there. Now that'll only take one more coat and that'll all be done. I've gone all the way around each one. I did have one slip on me. But I'll just fill the void now what's there. Right, I'm just itching now to have the non-itchy insulation so we can fill these voids here. Okay, it's gone off. It's all hard. So now just put another layer in each one. There we are, each one filled. Job done. I'll just cut off, let that go hard now, I'll cut off the excess. Just another little bit done to keep us warm. Right, here it is, the insulation. Oh, focus, yep. There we are, insulation. Recyclable plastic, water repellent, so if there's any condensation in the van, it's not going to hold the moisture. I'm also thinking maybe wadding, if there's, because we're going to make some bench seats, so this may come as some form of wadding. So hopefully then that's going to keep us nice and warm, like an egg in a nest. Good morning everybody, and it's day 3 of the insulation, so let's take a look. I think we've been here before. Bit of deja vu. I've got my plastic pipe out again. I've got the right insulation this time. So let's put the insulation back in the van. I've just quickly learned that this sort of insulation is completely different to the loft insulation. You can actually cut it to a shape that you want. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to cut each individual piece, measure it out, cut it to size, fit it. Right, just cut this letter D out. No, I am. I've cut this piece shaped like a boot. I'm going to fit this piece here now around the window. Get the insulation right up. Took 2 attempts, but it's in. I managed to get it probably to about here, all the way down, across here, to about here now, down to about here. It's tucked in nicely. I can just show you. Enough light. It's tucked up in there nice. Just the rest of them to do now. Done. Not much to show really, but we've gone all across that area there, up and over the door, back down, and all across this area here, there. Okay, I'm glad that's done. So that's the end of today's today's work anyway. So tomorrow I'm going to start filling in all these areas here